Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As with the market opening, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first of all, let's look at bigger picture monthly time frame. As there is a monthly opening today, we see that once the market open, gold open with a gap, and as soon as it opens, we saw that downward momentum in the market. As we see that overall picture on gold, there is a triple top formation in this important level of resistance. Previous months, gold has formed a long weak candle on the monthly. Now, this is a strong rejection on the monthly perspective on gold. Now, with that rejection, what we could see, what I think that gold highly likely will come back down, either will test this monthly opening and close, which is an important level of support, or even we could see break of this monthly support and even break of this monthly low to grab liquidity, as there is a huge liquidity in that zone, and highly likely gold initially could come back down to grab liquidity before going to the upside. So with that being said, we could see potential drop on gold for short term perspective. Now, if we look at weekly, we can see that there was a dodgy previous weekly candle creating series of lower high. Now, at this point, the price is putting pressure on this weekly support, as there was a weekly dodgy. Highly likely this price now will come to test the weekly low. Now, this is the previous weekly low. We can draw this level of support here at 1974.5, which is also an important weekly support zone. As the market failed to create a new higher high from the monthly, we see potential drop from the weekly. We could see this support is being broken, and we could see a bit more stronger drop to grab liquidity either from this monthly low or from this weekly support zone. So from the monthly and weekly, we see potential for drop on gold. If we look at the daily, we can see that there was a one candle range for quite a few days on gold, and with that one candle range, gold was creating series of lower high on the daily, and along the way we saw quite a few days of false breakout. Whenever the price was reaching that resistance, we saw that gold was creating false breakout, and also we saw false breakout from the support zone. So it was in one candle range, and we see that currently after the last 2 days of narrow dodges, today once the market opened with a gap, the buyers completely failed to create a new higher high. As a result, we see that the sellers now selling this market, and we could see a bit more stronger drop as the buyers failed to create a higher high, and we see that this long-term support is broken, and we could see the price is coming to the monthly support zone. What I think that 1950 level could be broken, and then later we could see reversal from this zone. So from the daily as well, we see potential for drop on gold. Now, if we jump onto the lower time frame on the intraday 4 hour price action, also showing potential bearish price action. This is the opening candle on gold, which is a very long bearish engulfer, which in fact has crossed the previous dodges high with a strong liquidity grab, followed by a doji, which is in fact a continuation pattern. Now, this current session candle, we see that gold, as soon as market open, the prices started to drop, and the price already below this support level. What I think that gold slowly may continue to drop in the direction to test this weekly support or even monthly support, and may break this level as well on the lower time frame. Now, if we jump back to 15 minutes time frame, as the market is volatile, to find an entry point, we see that the market is showing typical downtrending market structure. First of all, we saw that after dropping, the price has a false breakout today with these long candles. This is a complete manipulation to the upside to grab liquidity, and then the market immediately has dropped, and along the way we see that the candles grabbing liquidities, and highly likely that this market will slowly drop back to this support zone from the weekly or even break to the downside as you are running a trade successfully along the way. As soon as you will find again suitable entry opportunity for this breakdown on gold, we will consider going short again with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.